This is the emergency broadcast system. The CDC is advising that you stay in your home.
I'm coming closer.
Oh, hi! It's me again. I missed you. You remember me, right? I'm not only there at night. You seem a little nervous in your head. It's like a creepy circus. Are you ready for the show? Now tell me what.
A lot of people walking around with no masks.
I'm back. Boom.
None of those people right there have masks. Hey, what happened to the mask? Got to be mandatory to be worn in San Diego County rules. That guy's got his mask pulled down under his chin. That lady might have a mask. Let's see this bicycle stuff. Well, he don't have a mask. That bicycle don't have a mask. Those people there don't have a mask. Even that old lady doesn't have a mask. What the hell are they thinking?
I'm back. Boom.
Skateboarder there, he don't have a mask. Well, I'm sorry, they got a mask, but it's pulled down under their chin. One of them got it around his neck. Those people playing football there, they don't have a mask. Those people flying a kite, they don't have masks. People walking right down the right, they don't have masks. They're walking in public. They're in public. They're supposed to wear a mask. That's why the coronavirus is spiking right now. This bicycles don't have masks. Those bicycles don't have masks.
You are unprepared. I would swear you are pretty scared.
All these people not wearing masks down here in Mission Bay area.
I won't let you go. I'm here.
And they're wondering why the coronavirus is spiking in San Diego County. Well, this is why. People over there in that tent don't have masks. People sitting under that tree don't have a mask. I don't see anybody out here wearing masks. Saturday afternoon. A lot of people out here, none of them wearing masks. That guy walking there don't have a mask. Skateboarders don't have masks. Bicyclists, no mask. Skateboarder and a bicyclist there, no mask. Oh, there's one person got a mask. First one I saw. The lady on a bicycle had a mask. That's the first one I've seen. There's one, see right there, walking that got masks. That's highly unusual out here today.
I'm not gonna lie to you kids, it's a f***ing jungle out there. Keep your head on tight, unknown brain and mind me, baby, let's do it. Y'all see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, see me flying,
Well, there's a lady with the mask now.
smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, get too strong, wanna battle with the beast, bring a few on, the commander and the chief for my crew.
This is crazy, and they wonder why we got a spike in coronavirus.
Eyes open, hands clutching on my throat, this a war zone.
People having a picnic right there on the right. I don't see anybody wearing masks. Maybe they're all in the same family, live in the same house, but still, somebody walking by there.
the impact. You break it open, leaving nothing f***ing intact. Hey yo, you been hacked.
I'm just gonna say something if I see somebody with a mask, because everybody out here right now is like,
Hey yo, we been back. Your band stacking, see you flexing with the thin stack. Flexing on the beyond. Hey bitch, you been whacked. I kill 'em all.
oh, there's a lady with a mask. Good for you there, lady.
Yo, this a war zone, homie. Say you ready and prepared. Take a minute and make them aware. Well, I be sneaking in the back, but it's what the clap. Homie, life ain't fair. Caught me crawling through the mud with a vision, saw it clearly. Born a shepherd to these sheep, make them fear me. This a war zone, trenched out, trap house, nothing ever given. Yeah, every day's a blessing. Thank the Lord, oh how I'm living. See me riding with my top down, oh cops round, pedal pressing on the gas. I don't think I'll ever stop.
Gave you too much, now I'm swallowed. Now I'm the fool while you're breaking rules.
Well, if anybody's wondering why, coronavirus is fucking in San Diego County. That's why. No masks anywhere.
As I bleed for you, cry for you, oh, oh. Let me bleed. As I bleed for you, cry for you, oh, oh. Let me bleed. Let me bleed.
A lot of people over there. No mask. Hey! 3 masks on 3 people. Wow. They got the trifecta. That mask doesn't do him any good down by his chin.
All of the pain seems to follow, like a shadow dark and cold to the touch. Am I insane not to let go? Oh, go on, just do what you do. And it hurts as I bleed for you, cry for you, oh, oh. Let me bleed.
San Diego County reporting 436 newly confirmed cases of coronavirus and 2 additional deaths. That brings the county's total since February to 12,837 cases, 360 deaths. Second day in a row also we have had more than 400 positive cases.